This one is from Emily. Do any of you guys have allergies? Haha, just wondering. Smiley face.
I'm not allergic to anything. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
I actually don't really have allergies. I'm lucky. You?
I'm allergic to this question.
Oh, weird.
No, I have no allergies. Though I get really big mosquito bites when
Yeah,
they bite
me too.
me. It's weird. Like they'll bite me the smallest thing, but they get really big.
And I get bad poison ivy. I know everyone's allergic to poison ivy, but I just get really bad.
Not everybody, actually. Not everybody's allergic to
That's
poison
true.
ivy.
Some people can't, like, even...
I have no allergies, though.